Good evening, students. I welcome all of you to our computer practicals video. And in this video, we are going to see practical assignments from Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so already I opened it, and this is our first slide, and we will add some more slides here. You can add from here new slide, or you can press Ctrl M also. Okay, fine. We have 8 slides here. Now we have to set background style for these slides. So we'll go to design tab, and in this extreme right place we have background styles. Okay, you can select whichever you want. So suppose we'll select this one. Fine. For all 8 slides, the same background is set, no? So here we want to change for third one. So we'll select this third one and go to background styles, and we want this one for third. So right click on this and select apply to selected slides. Okay. See, all other slides are of blue color background, and third one is this light gray color, right? Fine. This is how we have to set background. And next one is how to use transitions in MS PowerPoint. Okay. For this transition, we have this transitions tab itself directly in ribbon, and we'll click on this, and for each slide we can set different transition means in slideshow how we want our slide to appear, that is transition. See, we'll select this random bars, this is how, and second one we'll take this, you can see the preview, and third one we'll take this like this, and fourth we have some more here. We can just click on the drop down button, and we'll take this one, and fifth we'll go to orbit, sixth, like this we can set different transitions for different slides. Then how to use animations. Animation is actually how we want our objects to appear in slideshow in the time of presentation. Object can be an image or a text also. Okay. For example, we'll just take an image here. These flowers are there, and we want to set animation for this particular image. So first of all we have to select the image and go to animations tab, and see, this is how we have some more animation effects here. You can see the preview in the background, right? Fine. We'll take this one. Okay, you can set the timing also here, children. Duration, you can say I'm increasing it so that it will be clear for you. And we have animation pane here, so just to check how our animation will work. Play, see, it's quite slow, right? We'll reduce the duration, it's just 75 I gave. See how fast it is. This is how we can change the duration. Even we can change the transition speed also here. Okay. So finally we give all the transitions and all the design, all the background we'll set, and all the animation effects we give, and we complete our presentation. Then we have to go to slideshow. Slideshow is just in the right down right corner, sorry. You have a button here, slideshow. And next, see how slides are changing. Okay, so this is how directly we have transitions tab, animations tab in ribbon, and design tab is for background styles. Okay, now suppose you want to set a picture as a background. Okay, for particular slide we'll take this third one, and we just have to right click on the slide, and we have this format background option, no? So click on this, and here we have different options. We'll select this picture or texture fill. Okay, so this is texture, actually it is changed already, but we want a picture, right? So click on this file, and we have a picture here. Select this, insert. See, if we want the same background for all the slides, we can just say apply to all here. Otherwise, we can just close. See this. Background is changed, So this is how we can set a picture as a background in Microsoft PowerPoint. And through this transition tab and animations tab, you can set the transitions and animations for different slides and objects. Okay, I hope you understand these basic concepts of PowerPoint. Thank you.